What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chef K. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making these beignets with strawberry jam. I'm not going to do a super long intro. We're just going to get straight into the video. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, let's get to it. So first you want to go ahead and mix your all-purpose flour in your bread flour, then add in your salt and instant yeast and just combine that together. And then we're going to go ahead and get some warmed evaporated milk and just pour the sugar into that and just whisk it until it dissolves. So then you want to go ahead and add your dry ingredients into a bowl and then add in your milk and your sugar and just mix that together. And then add in some warm water and continue to mix that together. And then we're going to stop this and add some vanilla and some eggs. And then using the dough attachment, we're going to go ahead and start combining this. Then we're going to let that go for another 5 minutes on medium speed and then turn it down to a low speed. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter and just let that come together for like another minute or two. And then take it out and start working with it. Hey y'all, what's goody? So we're just gonna lay some flour onto our counter space. I probably laid like 2 tablespoons down, and then I'm gonna pour the dough onto that and sprinkle a little bit more flour on top, like another tablespoon, and just start kneading that for like 5 minutes. So yeah, you're gonna be putting in some work, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Then I'm just gonna put a tablespoon of oil into a bowl. Just wipe that around with a napkin or something, a paper towel. Stick your dough in it and put a wet paper towel over it and just set it to the side for like an hour. Now, I set mine aside for an hour, but then I had to run out, so I ended up sticking mine in the fridge, hence the plastic wrap. So I'm just going to take the plastic wrap off, take my dough out, and then I'm going to also put a little bit of flour on top of it so that it doesn't stick. And then I'm just going to go ahead and roll this out, and we're trying to get it to like an inch of thickness. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut these into 2-inch squares. And then once you have all your beignets covered, we're going to go ahead and cover them with a paper towel, a wet paper towel, and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and heat up some oil to 350 degrees and fry your beignets a few at a time. We're just going to be cooking these for like 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip them and just keep repeating the process until your beignets are done and they're looking like these. Then you want to go ahead and let your beignets cool on a paper towel for a few minutes. And then now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of stick it in the middle with a butter knife so I can get this jam inside. So I'm just using like a plastic bag, just made a homemade piping bag, got some strawberry jam, and I'm just going to pipe it in on both sides so that the whole beignet has some strawberry jam on it. And now, once we have completed all the beignets, we're going to go ahead and dust them with powdered sugar, and it's almost time to eat them. Let's go. Side note, I've never been to New Orleans, but I definitely want to go. Like, it's on my bucket list because I gotta have this from them, like, for real. I know mine's is good, but I gotta taste theirs. Anyway, we just gonna break into it right now. Let's get to it. Just watch.
Y'all, why these beignets so goddamn good? Hold on, look at this. Wait a second. It really gets the people going. These joints slap. For real.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on the gram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.